How to locate your family members in real time. Hello friends, this is Sanjeevjain from CEOITBOX. So you're worried about where your family members are, and this is always a concern. So where your kids are and other people are. And to solve this problem, there's a lovely app called Google Maps. So you don't have to put any other map. Google Maps is already having this built-in feature. So you may not be knowing about this. And Google Maps is easily installed on iPhone as well as Android. So let us get started. So very, very simple on your mobile phone. Okay. And on your mobile phone, you just have to open Google Maps. And in Google Maps, just click on your photograph, and on your photograph just click on location sharing. So as you can see that already I am sharing my location with my family members. So this is a two-way thing. So I can see their location and they can see my location. So now when I click on Abhinav, you can see that this is the location. In fact, I can see that Ekta is also here and Arjun is also here. So you see, so they can see your location and you can see their location. This is Arjun. So you can also share the location very easily. So now to share your location, you just have to click in the bottom. If you see, there is this tab here of adding a person. And now you can select any person from your contact. Okay, so of course, the Gmail ID of that person must be available with you. And you have got two options for 1 hour or until you turn this off. You can increase this for a particular time also. But if you want permanent sharing, just use the second one until you turn this off. And then in your contacts, okay, in your contacts, you can select any person and just make sure that the person's email ID should be there, because as you can see, like here you can see Abhinav Agarwal. So this shows that this person is using the same ID on Google Maps. Okay, so he has configured the Google Maps with a Gmail ID, so that makes it easy. So this way you can actually go through the contacts and find that person and just follow the steps, and that's it, guys. So you will be sharing the location with them, and the same way you can go to Abhinav's phone and do the sharing with, have Abhinav's sharing done with your phone, so that way both of you can see each other in real time. So I hope that this tip will be a lifesaver for you guys, because many times we are worried with where the kids are, where your wife is, and she may be worried about you. And go ahead and try this out, and I'm sure that this will be really very useful.